Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So in today's video we are going to talk about something new in this topic, and something new in the sense means already you know about this topic, but we are going to talk about that topic something new. It means we are going to enhance our code in another way, and we are going to understand some syntax. Whenever you will face some different type of syntax, that what is the meaning of that syntax we are going to see. And before going to start this topic, I will tell you that we have covered many topics in our Java series, so please go and watch them, and this topic will surely help you in your interview also, as well as in your live task also. So let's start today's topic and let's see what are the new things available here. So today's topic name is data type real. And what is the data type real? Let me tell you the data type already you know, like integers, string, float, double, these all are the data types. You have already studied also, and I have taught in this topic also, I have covered in this series also. So if you not, please go and watch them. If you know, then it's very nice. And let's start. So in this topic I have covered two data type, like float and double. So float already you know, and double also you know, like we are getting decimal values, and float has a smaller length compared to the double. Okay, all things you know. And you also know that how we are passing value in float and double. So we are going to know something more about this. Okay, so you know that whenever we are passing values in our float, we are writing f after passing the value. Okay, and in double also we are writing d after passing the value. So you can write here small f also and capital F also, so no need to get confused, you are writing small f or capital F. Okay, and they can ask you also, like they can give some multiple type questions. They can ask you which is this is right or wrong. Okay, so you need to keep in your mind whenever you are going to face interview. In every organization they used to take interview in different way. Some are giving like OMR sheet, like they will give you the multiple choice question. Some will give you directly syntax, they will give you. Someone will give you directly syntax to run, find the bug and then run them. Okay, so everyone has different way to take the test. So you have to get prepared also, and no need to worry, just they are not asking too much heavy things, they are asking basic things only. So get ready and get clear with your basics, that's all. And here we have passed values for fraction also. So how you can pass your value for fraction, and what is the meaning to write it here? You can see in comment line I have written typecasting to change integer into float. Change integer into float, what this is meaning we are going to understand. Okay, and you can see in fractional part I have written in bracket float I have passed. Okay, so if you will run this, you need to see what is the value for this one. Okay, so let's run and see here. The output is 16.666. Okay, so what is the typecasting meaning? Typecasting integer into float. So if you are typecasting, if you are writing this one, okay, with your fraction, it will give you the value in the float. Okay, but if you will remove this one and then check what is the value, save it and run this one, and now check the value. Okay, 16.0. So this is a typecasting. This is just like a integer but not integer. This is also a decimal format, because there is a decimal and then 0. So you can see, just compare, after decimal we are getting 0 whenever we are passing only fraction, but whenever we are writing float in bracket we are getting 16.666 value. Okay, so this is the difference to understand here. Okay, if they are asking, they need the decimal value but not the 16.0 something 1 2 3 4 5, not like this. They need simple, after the decimal, right side of decimal, they need 0 only, but they need value in decimal. So you can write in this way. Okay, you can write your code in this way also. Okay, that's okay. And let's see for double also. And you can see here also, this is our another variable which is double type. Okay, and here also we are passing value and we have given d here. So you can pass this one as a small d also, capital D, both are correct. And here you can see we have passed in fraction part, we have written d here. So what is the purpose of d here? If I will run this one, and you can see after running you are getting the output as 3.1428. Okay, but whenever you will remove this d, okay, and save it, then what will you get? Java application, you are getting 3.0 only. So see, this is also typecasting. Okay, typecasting, and typecasting meaning changing integer value into float. Okay, so change integer value into float is called typecasting. And you can see, if we are writing the float, we are writing d here, we are getting the values in like float form or double form. but whenever we are writing simply fraction, we are getting like 0.0 only, the value 0.0 only. So that's all for today topic, and I hope you will like it. So please make comment if you like it, and see you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.